Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, on today's video, we'll be looking on the ringneck parakeet. And this is them in the cage. They're the newest addition to our family. And I thought that it would be a good time to introduce them to you guys. So let me know what you think about them. But I'm going to go ahead and give you some details. I don't know much about them. So if I get anything wrong, feel free to leave a comment. And, because this is a learning channel. We learn together. I share my knowledge and you share yours. So what I do know about them is that they are called ringnecks based on the ring that is around the neck of the parakeet. It's normally in the color of rose or black, and it's mainly the male that has the ring around its neck. Now, from the video, you will notice that it's actually the green one that has the ring around the neck, which right away makes you able to identify that the green one is actually the male. The research explained that the young one, the babies, they don't normally come with the ring. It's when they grow and mature that the ring starts to appear around their neck. So from this, you can look at these two birds and identify the green as the male and the blue as the female. Now you will notice that the blue one, the female, she doesn't have her tail, and that is due to the fact that they went in there. Due to the fact that when we were transferring her, she was flapping about, and in the process, she lost her tail. With that being said, these birds they grow to a length of 16 inches, with half of that length being the length of their tail, which means that 8 inches is for head to tail, head to buttocks, and the tail is another 8 inches. So you see, they have beautiful tails. It's long and beautiful. I can tell you that these birds they can mimic human sound, and so we're able to teach them how to speak. I think the best way to do that would be to isolate them and teach them from there. They're quite friendly. They're a bit loud. Further in the video, I will insert their sound so you can hear how they sound. It's a nice sounding, but once you're in the crowd and listening to them, they are really loud. Their diet consists of fruits, vegetables, and seeds. So you can give them fruits. We give them melon and we give them other fruits. For vegetable, we give them the callaloo, we give them cucumber, and we're still exploring. For seeds now, we give them the parrot vital, and that consists of sunflower seed, a little corn, a little wild bird seed, and you know the works. So that's what we give them to eat. We give them fresh water every day. We drink their water every day, and they're fed every day. They normally lay at in the winter season, that's in December. That's when they lay. I know that they can give a clutch of 4 to 5 babies per laying. They lay in a regular box, so right now we have given them one of our cockatiel box for them to use. It's not too small where they can't go in there and sit comfortable. It is just the right size. So since we have given them the box and brought them home, they have not paid any attention to the box because, as I said, it's December before they actually start doing anything. So right about now, they're in the cage, just getting to know their environment. They fly from one ear to the other. So as I was saying, if you look on the male, you see the black, the distinctive black around his neck, and if he comes closer, you'll see a little pink. That's what they call the rose color. The blue now, you'll notice that she has the a little blue around her neck. But because it's not black or rose, they don't really consider it a ring. But we're just pointing that out to you. I don't know much. They're from Africa, but we're trading and buying. We can find them in different parts of the world. I think we'll call that green one pineapple, not sure. But tell me what you know. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell,